Jason Alexander Fernández Castro, Civil Engineering. Not convention structured. The construction sector over the years has evolved in great proportion, so much so that what they have been interesting in used very fit materials, used in order to take care of the environment and reduce costs with current of the construction with affecting the safety tag. The buildings must complete white odds and not to put at risk the lives of the people would live trip. Seized the main reason for carrying out a civil war is to insurrect and propose safe structures that meet the objective of protecting the life of the human beings and improving is the well-beings. Unconventional structural systems unconventional structure is what system of the elements with structural characteristics what have a formal configuration which radically breaks the anatomical or morphological tradition imposed with Ingrid. El presenting values us in practice present a small proportion of the final resistance of the membrane is pretesting school below and so tag membrane installation process is not complicated and hit to kit and goods pretested after fatigue losses of the membrane material over time. Unlike more conventional building construction, modest deformity is considered an important feature of textile structures. The formation that people in the membrane material are of great magnitude as it has the beneficial effect that the streets do not increase linearly with the ambient loads due to the geometric changes of the surf what is when the blocks over a conical membranes in cause the article much to tilt in favor of the wind, allowing change in the curvatures of the legward membrane atoms. The user should take into account the following general design methods used in this start, which represent some of the main differences from traditional methodologies, such as those described in Adset 1984. 1. In the act of the assuming a rigid time for which the acceleration is equal to the acceleration of the ground in the plates. The start assumes the application of the repose due to the natural frequency of the time. This start includes the repose modification factor 3 instead of the combine in the pulsing and connecting modes by algebra assumes this starting combines these modes with the sum of the square roots of the quartz. This this star includes the effects of vertical acceleration and the effect is star includes an effect mass coefficient applicable to much of the walls. Thank you.